It's my bike shit. 2019 piece of shit. Sponsored by Fiend, Odyssey, and Fit. Fucking Odyssey bars, don't even know who I got. Sweet. They're like 10 high, but like fucking, I don't know, 30 or 28. Or 9.7, I don't know. Fit blade V3s, lasted me like 4 years. Fit, strong as fuck. At the front end, got the fucking BSC NASA wheel. Odyssey Vandero Pro hub, keeps me rolling. Got the gold nipples. My signature Fly Fuego tyres. Right, $55, buy them from Backbone, support the logo. Odyssey pegs, you can't really see the Odyssey logo because you know, ride street gang. Salt headset, you know, gang. Animal inverse stem. You know, flip that bitch over if I want low bars, you know, as you can see. Keeping shit retro. Fucking my signature Fly grips, fuck Devon Smiley. My Fiend Timoro frame with my signature colourway and Lewis Mills signature. Yeah, see. Gay Pride lace, you know. Fit indent 24mm cranks, keep shit strong with the Shadow Sabotage sprocket. 25, because you know, I'm not Trows, bro. Fuck 28 too. The Shadow interlock chain, yeah, sick. Yet again, NASA rim. It's weight reducted. 5 missing spokes. It's fucking okay. My signature tyre, my signature pegs, the fucking Division drive side hubguard that Ethan Howard gave me. Fit cafe seat because I like my coffee. Now this is the most important part of my bike. Animal rat trap pedals. Right, these will fucking last me forever. And yeah, that's practically fucking it. It's a piece of shit, but it keeps me rolling. It's fucking me diary running out. Oh yeah, Merit BMX support.